This is one of the most powerful herbs on the planet. The name of it is Cuban Oregano, otherwise called broadleaf thyme or Chinese Thyme. This herb right here has so many medicinal benefits, but before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button if you want more natural ways to look and feel better. This plant has been used for so many things to help you recover from the common cold, help to heal and beautify your skin. Cuban oregano contains compounds that have antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is often used to treat various infections, particularly skin infections, fungal growths, and bacterial wounds. A poultice made from the leaves can be applied topically to help cleanse and heal cuts, sores, and other skin ailments. The herb is highly effective in treating respiratory issues due to its expectorant properties. Cuban oregano can help relieve coughs, bronchitis, and congestion. A decoction made from the leaves can be consumed to help clear mucus and ease breathing. It is also used in herbal teas to treat asthma and sinusitis. Cuban oregano is also known for its pain relieving properties. It is commonly used in the form of an oil, a poultice to relieve muscle aches, joint pain, and headaches. Applying Cuban oregano oil to sore muscles or aching joints can reduce inflammation and provide pain relief. The leaves can also be crushed and used on the skin as a natural insect repellent. This is excellent to also hydrate and beautify the skin. The juice from the leaves can also be taken by teaspoon to help to reduce or relieve a sore throat, coughing, or excessive throat mucus. The herb has powerful anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes Cuban oregano particularly useful for those suffering from arthritis, rheumatism, or other inflammatory conditions. It can also help with swelling and redness associated with inflammatory diseases. Due to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, Cuban oregano is often used for treating various skin conditions. It can be applied topically as a poultice or oil to help with eczema, acne, rashes, and burns. The herb's ability to promote healing and soothe irritated skin makes it a popular choice for herbal skincare treatments. Finally, if you make a tea using the leaves of the Cuban oregano, that can help to relieve congestion, coughing, flu symptoms, and help to boost and strengthen your immune system. If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, learning how to use natural remedies to make your life better and to help your friends, your neighbors, and your relatives, then smash that subscribe button and comment below. I want to learn more. One love. Shalom.